Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We will be providing the key levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty on daily basis. Come, let's get into the video. If you are a swing trader or positional or intraday, or in case you are part-time trader, you need to know the key levels to look for. So kindly note down our levels and use along in your system. So today, based on yesterday's closure on Friday, we have analyzed the trend using 4-hour time frame. Since there is a clear downtrend, we also mentioned in previous video the support going to take off. So it is breached and it is coming down. So now we need to move for higher time frame. So today we have performed the analysis on 4-hour time frame for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the support and resistance are considered for 1 hour. So during trading hours, you have to execute your plan. You can't plan during the trading hours. So note down these levels and you can use a execution time frame as 5 minutes or 10 minutes based on your risk capacity. So let's look into the Nifty. The Nifty is cleared downtrend. So the short is initiated below the green line for the target of 14,734. So the price action is between this range for the short. You can't expect the price to be precise for a last digit 14,734. It will be around that. So you can plan a trade between that range. And coming to the long, so it should cross the line on the red for the target 15,339. So this is on the Nifty. Until both the long and short lines are taken out, you don't have any trade. So just wait for the range and play in your zone. If you have your own system, use these levels as your reference line. So please check our previous video how our reference line acted and respected by the price action. Next we'll see the Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty 4-hour chart. The support is taken clearly and there is a downtrend started. So the short is initiated below 35,920 with the stop loss provided in key levels and the target of 35,294. Similarly, the long is initiated only above 36,495. Until then, there is no long. So the price should close above this level, above the red line for the target 37,034. So our key levels is precisely for intraday. If you are positional or swing trader, you can use these level as your references. So daily we will be posting our levels. No need to worry for a week. So you can just cross check tomorrow on our levels. So we'll see the risk reward and the key levels. So the key levels are noted here as we discussed. You can check out this. Always use the trailing stop loss. I usually suggest to use a trailing stop, which is the previous candle close while going a short and previous candle open while going a long. So the risk and reward ratio is good on sell side. For Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can just work out. So usually trading is 80% your plan and 20% your execution. So plan your trade and trade your plan. So wait for the price to come into your zone. So anyone can make money in market, only consistency is matter. So try to do your homework and just execute your plan the next day. Thank you. Please leave a comment if you have any queries or if you want to analyze us on any particular stock, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.